The Heatilator Longmire offers the nostalgic wood-burning fireplace sights, sounds, and smells you love in a linear shape. Listen to the crackle that only wood-burning fireplaces provide. Let the scent of smoldering pine bring back memories. The fireplace is the heart of the home, and the 42-inch Longmire makes either indoor or outdoor settings the center of gatherings. Sleek hideaway glass and screen doors reveal a roaring fire, drawing family and friends together. Burn up to 30-inch logs for even more ambiance. A drawbridge grate and hinged glass doors make maintenance simple, leaving time to appreciate the wood-burning fireplace experience. The Longmire wood-burning fireplace is made for easy enjoyment. Visit your local dealer or heatilator.com to learn more.